Basic electrical terms video blog 6. What is Ohm's law? The fundamental equation. Our sixth video answers, what is Ohm's law, and why is it the most critical formula in electrical engineering? Simply stated, Ohm's law is the mathematical relationship that describes how voltage, current, and resistance interact in a simple DC, direct current, circuit. The formal statement. Formally, the law states that the current flowing through a metallic conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance between them. The three-part formula. Ohm's law can be expressed in three ways, but the most common form defines current, I is equal to V divided by R. Here, I stands for current, Amperes, V stands for voltage, volts, and R stands for resistance, ohms. Solving for voltage. The law can be rearranged to solve for voltage. V is equal to I times R. This version shows that the voltage needed to drive a current is equal to the current multiplied by the opposition it faces. Solving for resistance. Finally, we can solve for resistance. R is equal to V divided by I. This formula is crucial for determining how much resistance a component has based on known current and voltage measurements. Direct proportionality. The I is equal to V divided by R formula shows that if you increase the voltage, the pressure, the current will increase proportionally, assuming the resistance remains constant. More push equals more flow. Inverse proportionality. Conversely, if you increase the resistance, the opposition, the current will decrease. This inverse relationship explains why adding a light bulb, a resistor, to a circuit reduces the overall current draw compared to a short circuit. A simplified circuit tool. Ohm's law is the primary tool used by electricians and engineers to calculate things like the proper size of a resistor needed in a circuit, the current draw of an appliance, or the voltage drop across a wire. The Ohm's law triangle. A common mnemonic tool used by students is the Ohm's law triangle. By covering the variable you want to find, the remaining two variables show you the correct formula to use. Limitations of the law. It's important to note that Ohm's law primarily applies to linear materials and DC circuits or AC circuits containing only resistance. It does not apply neatly to nonlinear components like diodes or transistors. Power calculation link. While not part of Ohm's law itself, this formula often works alongside the power formula, E is equal to V asterisk I, to fully analyze a circuit, allowing us to calculate the energy used or dissipated as heat. Final formula point. Ohm's law provides the simple, universal language for understanding how voltage, current, and resistance balance each other. Mastering it is the first and most vital step toward mastering electrical engineering.